Good girl, Mabel. Hi, Tootsie. Hi, Tootsie. Hi, Tootsie. Hi, sweetie. You think everything's a game, don't you? Tootsie's quicker than you, Mabel. Tootsie, Tootsie. Tootsie, Tootsie. Don't have to do much to get you going, huh? Gypsy, be gentle. Oh, man. Yeah. You are so aloof. What am I gonna do with you, huh? She says, I have absolutely no respect for you. I will not come when you call me. Good girl. Good girls. There, Mabel. If you ever wondered what that chewing sound is, oh, you little bugger. Grubs. Crazy, crazy grubs. Oh, like that. Look at that sucker. Yuck. The good thing is, my frogs and toads love them. But we're going to put you back for now. Don't worry, I'll get you later for your doom.